Welcome to Simple Coding. In this video, let us see about Hyperlink Control in ASP.NET. Hyperlink Control is used for navigation. Suppose if you want to go from one web form to another web form or one web form to another website, at that time you can use this hyperlink. To create hyperlink control, either we can write code or use drag and drop facility of Microsoft Visual Studio IDE. Hyperlink is a server control, that means it has its own tag to create. Inside tag, write asp.control name, that is what asp.hyperlink, and provide properties like ID for unique identification and run at server to parse it as a server control, and provide important property like navigate URL. This property will help to navigate to the given URL. Following are important properties which can be used with hyperlink control. Now let us see the example of hyperlink control. Here I am creating a project with name hyperlink demo. For adding web form to our project, go to Solution Explorer and click on project name, then click on add button and then click on new item and then add web form to our web project. In this example, I am going to create 3 label controls and 3 hyperlink controls. As you can see here, I have created a panel control. If you want to know about panel control, then do let me know. I will create another video for this panel control. Now let us create one label control by writing asp:label and provide properties like ID for unique identification and run at server to parse it as a server control, and provide text property. Inside this text property, I am assigning go to another web form so that this text can be shown on top of our label control. Now we have to create hyperlink control to navigate to web form number 2. For that we have to write asp:control name, that is asp:hyperlink. And also we have to provide properties for this hyperlink control. Those are ID for unique identification and run at server to parse it as a server control, and provide important property for this hyperlink, that is navigate URL. Inside this navigate URL property, we have to provide the path which we want to navigate. For this we have to add one more web form to our project. For that, go to Solution Explorer, click on project name and then click on new item and then click on web form. Now inside this web form number 2, I am creating one h1 heading tag to display welcome to web form number 2. Now go back to web form number 1 and inside navigate URL provide the path of this web form number 2 by writing tilde symbol and give slash and then write proper name, that is web form number 2.aspx. Here I have created one more label with different ID, that is I2, and with different text, that is go to Google. That means this go to Google text will be shown on top of label number 2. Now create one more hyperlink control by writing asp:hyperlink and provide properties like ID, hyperlink 2, and provide run at server to parse it as a server control, and provide mandatory property, that is navigate URL. Inside this navigate URL, provide the path which you want to navigate. So provide the path of Google. That go to Google Chrome and write google.com and just click on this google.com. You will get the actual path, so copy it and paste it inside this navigate URL property. And also provide text property for this hyperlink control. Now create one more label control by writing ASP:label and provide ID for unique identification and run at server to parse it as a server control, and also provide text property for this label control as go to Facebook. Now create one more hyperlink control to navigate to Facebook. For that, write asp.netHyperlink and provide properties like ID for unique identification. Here I am giving hyperlink 3 and provide run at server to parse it as a server control, and also provide navigate URL property. Now to get Facebook link, go to Google Chrome and search facebook.com. You will get the link for Facebook. Now copy it from the Chrome and paste it into your navigate URL property. Now also provide text property. Text property will be shown on top of your hyperlink control. Here I am using break tag to display the elements in a new line. As you can see, the display is looking good. Now let's run this project. You can see that we got the output. When I am clicking on web form number 2, the hyperlink control is navigating me to the web form number 2. Also, when I am clicking on Google, the hyperlink control is navigating me to the Google. Similarly, when I am clicking on Facebook, the hyperlink control is navigating me to the Facebook. In this way, you can work with hyperlink control. If you like this video, then please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.